Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to my channel Technically HSN. Are you tired of sluggish performance on your mobile device and wondering how to make your phone faster? This video has the answers. Discover effective strategies to speed up your mobile and enjoy a smoother, more efficient experience. Say goodbye to slow loading times and lagging apps. In this video, I will teach you how to speed up your Android mobile, your any mobile which have a problem of lagging. Okay, let me show you the speed of this mobile first, how it is slow. As you can see, this is very slow. Now let's start. First of all, open setting. Now scroll down and find the option about phone. Tap on it. Now here, press 7 time builder number. I have already pressed, so the message has been pop up that you are already in developer option. When you press 7 time builder number, go back and open developer option. Now here, scroll down and find these three options: window animation scale, transition animation scale, animator duration scale. Okay, first open window animation scale and set the value animation scale 0.5x. Now open transition animation scale and set the value 0.5x, and now open animator duration scale and set the value 0.5x. Now you have done, your phone is become smoother. Now you can check the speed of my mobile. It's become very fast. So with this method you can run smoother your mobile and your apps. I'm sure guys this video will very helpful for you. If you want to learn more tips and tricks about mobile, PC, laptops, so don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your mobile experience. Stay updated and make the most out of your devices. Take care guys, until the next video.